doing a healthy breakfast. What is this called? Healthy breakfast recipes. Hi guys, today I am doing a healthy breakfast recipe video. I have 4 different recipes. You could actually have these for lunch if you wanted, or dinner, or snack, or like midnight snack. Like you eat it whenever you want to eat it. Cat. Most of you ask where the cat is when I show the dog, and most of you ask where the dog is when I show the cat. In the same frame. That's rare. Look at them. Look how cute they are. What the hell?
No, I fell in love with you, and you fell in love with me. What shall we do? Oh no, what's happened to my heart? It pitters and it pats to beats apart.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment below which your favorite recipe is, and if you try these out, be sure to tweet me a pic or Instagram me a pic, hashtag it Siena's Kitchen, and I'll look at it, favorite it, save it, memorize it. There's bees, I've got to leave. I'm wearing pajama pants. The first recipe is banana oat pancakes, and these are a healthier version of regular pancakes and taste much better in my opinion. This recipe makes about 4 pancakes. You will need 2 bananas, 1 egg, baking powder, salt, half and half, or milk depending on your preference, 2/3 cup of oats, butter, and blueberries or raspberries or whatever fruit you want to put on top. I'm going to start out by peeling the 2 bananas and then breaking them in half and putting them in the blender. Then I'm cracking 1 egg in the blender and adding a couple shakes of salt. That's my face, same. Then I'm going to be using 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder and putting this in the blender. And then I'm adding 2/3 cup of oats, and I had to use 2 1/3 cup measuring things because I didn't have 2/3, so yeah, you gotta improvise. Then I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of half and half cream. I'm adding the cream and the baking powder to give it a better texture and consistency, because without it, it kind of has a bad consistency. And then I'm blending it up and doing a little something, you know, getting kinky with my blender. My impersonation of Rapunzel on Tangled. So yeah, I love playing with pans. It's my favorite pastime. Then I'm turning the stove on medium heat and applying some butter so my pancakes don't stick. You can use canola oil, whatever floats your boat. And now I'm putting the pancakes on the pan, you know, flipping them, putting them on a plate. And then I'm gonna add some blueberries because that tastes really good. My next recipe is a vegetable frittata, which is just a thin layer of egg and vegetables. You can put whatever vegetables you want, but you'll need 2 eggs, kale or any vegetable of your choice, red pepper or any vegetable of your choice, salt and pepper, Parmesan cheese, again that's optional, and some half and half or milk. Then you are going to want to finely chop up your vegetables so they're small enough to be cute and bite-sized. I don't even know, just put them in your eggs. Now I'm going to whip up my eggs like I whipped that ass. So I'm cracking 2 eggs and then adding a splash of half and half and whipping that, stirring that, I don't know what you want to call it, beating that, that's what it is. Then I'm adding a dash of salt and a little twist of pepper, you know, get it flavorful. And then I'm putting my stove on medium heat, adding some butter, pouring that egg all around, pouring in my vegetables, sprinkling that cheese, you know, it's a good day. On a side note, you might want to put like a cover over this so that it cooks better, just a little tip. My next recipe is super simple and super quick. It is fruit with granola and Greek yogurt. You can add any fruit that you please, but I'm taking some strawberries, some blueberries, and a banana. I'm using Greek yogurt because it is much healthier than regular yogurt, and then I'm using vanilla almond granola. And then I'm cutting up my fruit nice and tiny. Now I'm going to add in 2 spoonfuls of my Greek yogurt, and then I'm going to put my fruit in and put my granola in and stir it up and eat it. My next recipe is a green juice. This is super quick and on the go. I drink this every morning. It's so healthy because you're getting all your vegetables and fruits in one serving. Instead of a cup, I am using a mason jar, and then I am putting in some kale, a carrot, 3 apples. Then I'm using half of a lemon to spruce it up a bit, and I'm also adding cilantro. And then you'll need a juicer. If you don't have one, you can put this all in a blender and it could be a smoothie, but I prefer it juiced. So then I'm cutting up all my fruit so that it will fit in the chute of the juicer. And then I'm just going to start juicing all my vegetables and fruits. If you want your juice to be super rich and green, I wouldn't add the carrot because it kind of dulls the color, but the carrot is super healthy. So those were all my breakfast recipes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below what your favorite recipe was and tweet me a picture if you did any of these. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!